Hi guys, welcome back to the VA Tips series. I'm Larissa and I share tips, tricks, hacks, and other things about freelancing and virtual assistant. Tip number 11 is to keep a positive mindset. So, alam naman natin na not all of the time we receive good news and yung mga experiences natin is not all good din. So, just like this month, my client just sent a contract notice na mag-e-end siya by the end of month. And, ayun, so it's not I do not take it personally kasi may mga matters na she need to take care of and I understand naman yung reason niya kung bakit siya mag-e-end ng contract. And ayun nga, we still need or challenges are part of our growth and new opportunity to para magkaroon tayo ng bagong client and magkaroon ng bagong experiences with other businesses. And ayun nga, keeping a positive mindset keeps us stay focused and motivated. So, I hope you have a great start of the year and good luck and stay positive.